And the last movie that we are going to review is The Insyang in the year 1976. So this Insyang is a Philippine drama film directed by Lino Broca, and it is based on O'Hara's teleplay of the same name. And itong pelikula na to, or yung setting ng pelikula na to, is umiikot sa Islams ng Tondo, Manila. Tapos ang pinakang character niya or yung star dito is si Hilda Coronel as the eponymous character. Tapos yung ito ay isa siyang young daughter of her full mother Mona Lisa. Tapos yung mas nakababata or mas bata sa kanya na asawa nito na ni-rape or how sexually assault her. Okay? Tapos si Insyang nag-seek siya ng revenge